Mastering statistical analysis is not just about crunching numbers. It's a journey through data visualization, hypothesis testing, and interpretation techniques that can significantly enhance your analytical skills. First, let's talk about data visualization. It's the art of presenting data in a graphical format, enabling you to see patterns, trends, and outliers that might be missed in raw data. Imagine a scatter plot that reveals the relationship between study time and exam scores, or a bar chart that compares sales figures across different regions. Effective visualization is the first step in making data comprehensible and actionable. Next, hypothesis testing is the backbone of inferential statistics. It allows us to make inferences about populations based on sample data. Consider the T-test, a powerful tool for comparing means. It asks questions like, do two teaching methods yield different results? Or, is a new drug more effective than the standard? By setting up a null hypothesis and an alternative hypothesis, we can use the T-test to determine if our observations are due to chance or if there's a statistically significant effect. Finally, interpretation techniques. It's not enough to have the results. Understanding what they mean is crucial. Does a low p-value always suggest a successful experiment? Not necessarily. It's about context, understanding the limitations of your data, and being able to communicate the findings clearly. Remember, statistical significance doesn't always equate to practical significance. In conclusion, mastering statistical analysis is an empowering skill that goes beyond the numbers. It's about asking the right questions, choosing the appropriate tests, and interpreting the results in a meaningful way. So embrace the power of data visualization, hypothesis testing, and interpretation techniques to unlock the full potential of your data. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply a curious mind, these tools are your stepping stones to analytical mastery. Happy analyzing!